With the snow season underway, the county wants to remind residents about its online tool to make it easier to decide when to safely venture out following a snowstorm. The map tool will show the progress of snowplows throughout the county and indicate when emergency roads, primary neighborhood streets, and neighborhood streets have been cleared.
When a snowstorm is predicted, we put up on our website, on our homepage, a link to all kinds of information about snow. You know, whether things are closed, open, and included in that is a snow map, which shows the progress of the snowplows as they're going around the county and clearing snow. Because you can put in your address and see where the snowplows are in relationship to where you live.
To check out the snow map, go to montgomerycountymd.gov/snowmap. The county also encourages its residents to sign up for Alert Montgomery to help prepare for the snow emergencies. You can sign up at alert.montgomerycountymd.gov.